What does it mean to buy down the interest rate? What are people talking about? Well, hey guys, I'm Jared McBride, the Loan Guide, and today on the McBride Guide for Home Financing, we are talking about buying down versus the rebate. On the day that you lock your interest rate for your home loan, there's actually more than one rate available. There's a range of rates available. Now, allow me to explain. The range can be referred to as buying down, rebate, or par. Now, buy down is one of these options. It's called buy down because you buy or pay for a lower rate. It decreases your monthly payment, but can increase the total amount that you borrow. Second option is a rebate, which is often used for no closing cost loan. The reason there are no closing costs is that you choose a higher interest rate, so the bank pays you some money. They pay you some money back. And that money can cover some or all of your closing costs. The third option is between the two, referred to as par. Par is a lot like it sounds. And if you're familiar with golf, this will make sense to you. For a loan to be par, it means you're not paying for the rate or being paid for the rate. It's even. Like when a golfer makes 4 strokes to sink their golf ball on a hole that's par 4. For the loan to be par, it means you and the bank are even. Now, in reality, it's rarely perfectly even. Either you pay a small origination or you get a little money back. But it'll be close. It depends on the rate and payment that you prefer. Now, generally speaking, if you buy down the interest rate, you may need to be in the home for 5 to 10 years before you see the savings in buying down. A loan officer can help you determine if that fee is worth the savings in the long run. It's just a few simple calculations. You can see if it's worth it for you. Now, why would someone choose a higher interest rate to get a rebate? Well, some people prefer to have a slightly higher payment and have no closing costs with no increase in the loan amount. To learn more about closing costs, check out our closing cost videos. Now, many people I work with choose par. It's a balance of a low payment and a low loan amount. And it works for a lot of people. So when you lock a rate, you're locking the rates that are available for that day. You can choose to buy down, you can choose to get a rebate, or choose par. If I were to compare this to cars, it's sort of like the transmission. Consider for a moment the different types of transmissions. The manual versus the automatic. Classic, right? Both are reliable, but the automatic costs you more upfront. Naturally, the manual is cheaper, but after a few years in heavy traffic, you may want a different car with an automatic transmission. I actually drive a car that has an in-between option. It's automatic that can be switched to manual. Which transmission do you prefer? It's really a matter of preference and budget. Like cars have tons of options, loans have options to meet your needs and preference. Remember, you can choose to buy down the rate, you get a lower payment. You can choose a rebate, have a higher rate to get money back for lower closing costs, or you can go for par. The choice is yours. Thank you for watching. Call me for a free loan consultation at 858-405-0549. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and please leave a comment below. I often get new ideas for videos from your questions. Check out more videos at my website, jaredmcbride.com.